Welcome back to aArambh, the first step towards your coding career, which is the roadmap to the IT world. Today, we are going to work on this area. We'll do a video on this area, Git and GitHub. Whatever code that you have in your IntelliJ idea, how to push to Git and GitHub. From here on, we'll start keep pushing all the code to Git and GitHub. In the previous module, if you see, this is module 2, right? In the previous module, we have covered all these videos in a sequential manner. It will be there in the playlist. If you are a first comer, start from these videos. Now we are at module 2, sixth video. So, okay, without any further ado, let's go to the IDE. So now in this video, my objective is I already have a program with me, which I have written previously, or I'm writing a new program, how to push it to GitHub. Before understanding how to push to GitHub, let's understand what is GitHub. GitHub is nothing but an online repository. When I say online repository, you can assume it like a space on the internet where you are storing your programs. So GitHub is a website for the developers where you push your code, the code will be available. Once I push the code, you will understand what I'm speaking about. So in order to go to GitHub, what you will do is you will just type github.com in your favorite web browser. If you already have an account, you will understand what I'm speaking about. If you don't have an account, let's start trying doing this from scratch, like we do everything from scratch here. So first step is to sign up. Once you have signed up, then later on you can go for sign in. The first step is to sign up. When you're signing up, the best practice what you can do is whatever Gmail ID that you are using, just click continue with Google. And I have various accounts on GitHub, but just to demonstrate how to create a new GitHub account, I'm choosing this mail ID, one of my Gmail IDs. So whatever Gmail ID that you frequently used, maintain one Gmail ID, one GitHub account, because this GitHub account you will be sharing with the recruiters in the resumes, and you will be sharing various places to demonstrate your coding capabilities. So all your programs will get stored in GitHub, and it will be used like an online repository, online website to demonstrate your coding abilities. So this is a very important step. So once I do this, my email ID is already captured. Username, you can choose a username of your own. I'm just choosing the default user ID, username. Then country is selected as India. Then I click on create account. So, okay, the account is getting created. Okay, account is created. So here, if I go, then what the first step that I should do is you click on create repository. This is your username that we got before, creates repository. So the program that I want to push here is related to switch case demo. So the program in the repository, what I will do is I will give the same name, switch case demo. Okay, if you want, you can give description, you can choose various other things. You can keep it as public. That is a good practice. You can share with many people. If you want, we can go for private also, but we will choose public only. Rest of all, let it be the defaults. Click on create repository. So this is your repository link. Here, whatever you are seeing is your repository link. This is like the address to your program on the internet. So for now, if I open this link here, what I see is I'll get something like this because code is not pushed yet. So I have saved this link with me. So what I will do is I'll do a control A here, control C. I've saved the link with me. I'll go to the program in IntelliJ IDEA. Then here I have an option here. On these three dots, when I click, I have an option to click commit. So first time you get this option to create Git repository. Later on, your programs will be synced automatically. That also I will show. Then whatever program, this program is saved. Okay, let me go back once again. to the program folder structure. This is the folder structure. This program is stored in aArambh coding switch case demo. This is the folder which has your code. So you go here. This is the command, right? Commit, create Git repository. You want to select in aArambh coding. This is the folder which has your program. This program I want to push to the repository. So I select folder. Then the changes are getting here. What I will do is I'll click this icon here. If I want, I can push all this code, but I only want my main class code to be in the repository. So I select this main class code and I put a commit message. It's always important to put meaningful commit messages. Switch case code committed. Then what I will do is I'll say commit and push. So I see something is happening, commit and push. This is an important step. I need to define remote. I click on define remote. Here, what I will do is this repository link you have seen, right? This link, I'll do this link here, whatever you are seeing, you have to copy this link and you come to IntelliJ here and in the URL, you paste it. So this code, you are sending it to this link. This link is nothing but a space on the internet which is stored inside GitHub. So what you will do is click on push. So pushing is happening. We'll wait for a second. So this is for the first time. So it is asking you to log in via GitHub. Then you have to click authorize in GitHub. This is a one-time activity. Then you authorize JetBrains, which is the owner of the IntelliJ idea. You have successfully authorized. You can close this page. So you close this page and you go back to your IDE. You see pushed master to branching and everything we will learn later on when we go to the programs. I mean to say real world programs, capstone projects, real time projects, and where when you are working in terms of team members, right? 3 to 4 team members, we will form teams and groups and we'll work together. At that time, I'll tell you what branches are and everything. But then from till this point, I want you guys to get used to the practice of sending code to GitHub and maintaining code on GitHub and use Git. This is a very standard practice in the industry. This is one of the differentiating factor between a good developer and a normal subject seeker. A subject seeker is somebody who learns programming just for the sake of learning. But if you really want to be a developer in the industry, you want to learn the best practices, this is one of the best practice. It's a standard practice actually. So you have come here, this URL you have seen. So now if I go here and I paste this URL once again and press enter, what you will see is now your code is already present here. Switch case demo.java. You see your code is present here. From now on, what will you do is once your code is already on the internet, you copy your link here. And what you will do is you come to the YouTube channel from where you're watching these videos. Let's say my YouTube channel, I want to switch account. Okay, I'm on a different page. Let's say you come to the channel where you are watching your videos and in the comment, let's say you are watching this video on a place, you come to the comment and in the comment section, paste this URL. Then I know that you have watched this video. Okay. So now what I will do is I'll come out of this page. I'll do one thing. I'll come to my aArambh account, aArambh Gmail account. So now you have just learned how to sign up, right? After that, what we will do is we will try to do a sign in. Let's say first time you have signed up for github.com. After that, you will be signing in from the account, right? So this is my Gmail ID. If you want, you can get in touch with me using this Gmail ID. So now, whatever Gmail ID you are using, you will log into that Gmail ID. Then you come to github.com. And in the previous video, I told that I want to push the arrays practice program to the GitHub repository. So I am coming to my already created, which I am maintaining just for this YouTube channel. I'm coming and signing in. Sign up. I have used a different email ID just to show how the functionality works. Signing in from here on, from this video, I will sign in only to my aArambh account. So I'll continue with Google. So I choose aArambh every time. You choose your email ID and the same. So I logged in to, there are some repositories already. I'm maintaining all the code related to aArambh here only. So I click on new. I need a repository name. I'll first come to my program, what program I want to push. So as discussed, I wanted to push my arrays program. From here, every program I'll push to GitHub. Once the video is done, I'll paste the comment in the YouTube. I'll show you how and that I will also do within this video only. So this window, I'm in this program. Then I'll come here. I'll click commit. First step is a Git repository is not created. So I click create Git repository. I want this in aArambh coding folder. All my programs are there. This is my program, aArambh programs. This name is here. I want to commit this code. I'll select this folder and I'll select the Java file. I'll put a commit message. I'll give a meaningful message. I'll say commit and push. I'm repeating the steps once again. All the steps I'm repeating once again for the sake of understanding, just using a different repository. So the repository URL I have selected there. Okay, this is the wrong repository URL. I'll go here. I'll come here. I need to create a repository, right? I'm doing this for arrays. Arrays interview FAQ. So I'll create the repository. First, I have to create the repository. Once the repository is created, I will have a link for it. I'll copy this link and I'll come to my program. I'll paste the link here in the remote, define remote section. Because this is for the second time I am doing, I didn't get that authorize in GitHub, all those steps that will only come for the first time. I just say push. You see pushing is happening. Okay, because I logged in from there and logging in here, it's asking me to authorize once again, but second time you will not get usually. Okay, I've been authorized and I go here. You see the code is pushed to the master branch. So if I come here and I refresh this page, I can see all my code regarding this program present here. So as a standard practice, every day what I will do is this step, I'll copy whenever you are on this program, you copy this link. Once you have practiced, you also do the same step. Once you have practiced, what you will do is you also do the same step. You come here, you come to YouTube. Let's say I am switching my account. I'm clicking on view your channel. Okay. So let's say we are working, this is which video that we have worked. This video I have not yet uploaded. Let's say you were taking the link for conditional statements. You have just watched the video. After that, let's say you have pushed the video. You have pushed the video to the repository. After that, you come to the comment section and place the link here. Then I will be looking at the comment. Then I will know that you have practiced this code. Then I'll come and click on this link and I will watch your code, and whatever mistakes or whatever you need to improve or whatever, I'll comment here. This is one way of interaction we can keep on maintaining, and whenever you have a doubts you can mention here, and you can keep in touch with me. I will connect on weekend sessions, live Zoom sessions, and I will try to rectify. This is a standard practice that we will do every day. After the recording is done and it is uploaded, I will also place a comment of the GitHub code here. You can go there to the link, and you will have the code ready with you. You will be watching the video, but you want to type the instead of typing, if you want to copy paste the video, try to practice or anything, you can take it from here and do that in a handy way. This is a unique teaching methodology that we'll be following at aArambh, so that you will get most benefit from the videos. Just not that you watch the video and become just a content learner. I want you guys to become a better developer, and ultimate objective is to crack the coding career and enter the IT world. That is the objective of this videos, the YouTube channel, or whether you find these videos on Udemy or anywhere. That's the objective of these videos. So thank you very much for watching the video till the end. Once again, welcome to aArambh. The first step for your coding career, which would be a path for your roadmap for your IT world. Thank you very much. All the best for your future.